Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to read hand X-ray step by step. Start by confirming patient identity and laterality, then check image orientation and exposure to ensure diagnostic quality. Next, follow a consistent sequence for bones, joints, and soft tissues to minimize misses. Prioritize urgent findings, such as displaced fractures or joint dislocations, and clearly document them for rapid communication with the treating team now. Start with standard views, posterior, lateral, and oblique to ensure complete assessment and avoid overlooking anatomy. Identify phalanges, metacarpals, carpals, distal radius, and ulna, and confirm normal relationships. Evaluate cortical integrity and trabecular patterns for lucencies or sclerosis that suggest pathology. Inspect joint spaces for uniformity and early arthritic change. Note soft tissue contours for edema or foreign bodies, and recommend follow-up imaging as needed. Quick recommendation: if you find this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also, I recommend the Droplet Oala water bottle for staying hydrated during long study or shift sessions. It's sturdy and leak-resistant. Check the video description for the link and other deals related to what you saw here. Thanks for supporting the channel, and if you have questions, leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. Describe fractures clearly by location, pattern, and displacement to guide management and communication with clinicians. Measure angulation in degrees and shortening in millimeters, and report intra-articular involvement or comminution that affects treatment. Look for associated dislocations, tendon avulsions, or neurovascular concerns, and note urgency. Use comparison views and consider advanced imaging for occult fractures. Finish with a concise impression and specific recommendations for follow-up or referral promptly if needed today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.